Hi guys, and welcome to the competition for SketchGenius. Now this is a highly anticipated competition, lots and lots of people wanting to win this. Now if you're lucky enough to win, just open a support ticket. My team will get you set up with everything you need. But if you're not lucky enough to win, please check out the description below and you will see a link across to my bonus page where you can purchase SketchGenius through me and claim my amazing bonus package. Now, no one beats my bonus packages, and I've kicked off 2022 with one of my best so far. Okay, without further ado, let's pick the winner now. So good luck to everyone. I appreciate everyone who enters these competitions. So let's go. Let's choose from all comments. And the winner is Small Cog Big Machine. Great to enter one of your competitions, as there is always a super prize up for grabs, and this one is no exception. So congratulations, just open a support ticket. My team will get you set up with everything you need. And remember, check out the description below, as you will see a link across to my bonus page. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.